Hi friends, welcome back. This video I am going to show you if you want to accidentally delete contact on your Android phone, don't worry, you can easily restore them. So let's get started. Unlock your phone, open the contact app. However, if you want to accidentally delete any contact your phone, don't worry, you can easily restore them. To do it, simply tap on the three dots more button top right corner. After that, go to trash. Here you can see all of the deleted contact listed there. Find the exact contact if you want to recover. For example, I am recovered this contact. Simply tap on only. From the pop-up menu, look at the bottom menu bar, select restore button and automatically restore the contact. To check this process work, simply go back to the previous page and see the restore contact there. Right now this is, and that's it. You are done. But please note, you can see the message any contact you delete will stay in the trash folder for 30 days before they are deleted forever. This means 30 days before permanently delete the contact, you cannot be recovered. Thanks for watching. Like this video.